Tonight, we have an update to a criminal case that began 27 years ago in north central Iowa. And after a federal trial here in Sioux City 16 years ago, closure is now coming to the case of reputed Iowa drug kingpin Dustin Honken. A federal judge has now denied a request to delay Honken's execution after he was convicted of killing 5 people, including 2 children. Honken is scheduled to be put to death by lethal injection on Friday after the resumption of federal executions earlier this week. U.S. District Judge Leonard Strand ruled that he would not delay Honken's execution date due to the coronavirus pandemic. Strand also denied Honken's motion to declare his execution void due to an alleged procedural error by the government. But what got us to this point? New at 5, we're digging deeper into the history of the Honken case. Dustin Honken was first indicted in 1993 for allegedly trafficking meth. Greg Nicholson and Terry DeGoose were identified as potential witnesses against Honken, but they disappeared before they could take the stand. Investigators allege that Honken, along with his then-girlfriend Angela Johnson, killed Nicholson, his girlfriend Lori Ann Duncan, and Duncan's 2 children to keep him from testifying. They say Johnson and Honken drove the 4 to a remote location before Honken shot the family execution style. They say Honken also killed Terry DeGoose in a similar fashion. In 1995, the original drug charges against Honken were dismissed due to a lack of evidence or lack of witnesses, but he was arrested again in 1996 for separate drug charges. Investigators had suspicions that Johnson and Honken were tied to the 5 murders, but lacked the evidence to press charges. A break wouldn't come until 2000. A jailhouse informant provided authorities with 2 maps pointing to the 2 spots where the bodies were buried. The remains of Lori Duncan, her children, and Nicholson were discovered near Mason City in October. DeGoose's body was discovered near Burchinal, Iowa, in November of that year. Authorities now had enough evidence to indict Honken and Johnson for murder. They were both charged in 2001. Honken's trial began on August 17, 2004 in Sioux City. On October 14th of 2004, the jury in the case reached its verdict, guilty of 17 criminal counts, including conspiracy to commit murder. Honken was sentenced to death at a hearing in Sioux City October 11, 2005. Angela Johnson's federal trial began in federal court in Sioux City April 11 of 2005. That's after a judge denied her motion to move the trial to Minneapolis. A little more than a month later, on May 24, 2005, a federal jury convicted Johnson of murder. Then, in December of that year, a judge sentenced Johnson to die for the crimes. But in 2012, a federal judge vacated Johnson's death sentence, citing a failure by her attorneys to introduce evidence about her mental state. She was then resentenced to life without parole in 2014. She currently resides at the Federal Correctional Institution in Waseca, Minnesota.